Cause man I like JK, where have you been? Cause man I like JK, where have you been?
What's happening, people? So as I know, half my channel, well, most of my channel are guys. So big up yourself. So this video today is all about how you can kind of get into being a creative but on a budget. So I've been collecting equipment over a certain amount of time. It's taken about, I reckon, around a couple of months to actually find the actual legit bargains. Not everything will come to you straight away. It'll take a little while for you to find these, but let's just get started. I got a Canon 1100D on Depop. This camera, I know you're gonna say, oh, it's old. I think it came out in 2012. The condition's not the greatest. Me and my dad took some time on it. We cleaned it up a bit, got in, cleaned the sensor, cleaned the mirror, cleaned the focus. The on the inside, the focus. It's like the focus. I don't know. I actually don't know what it's called. It's like the focus screen stuff. That was really dirty. So when you look through the viewfinder, it was filthy. So we cleaned that out. Part of the body was actually away from the rest of the body, but we unscrewed it, put it back together. Like £45. We opened it up on the inspector, and it's taken something like 15,000 shutter actions. So compared to like other cameras I've used, this is quite a low shutter count. My other bargain I got 2-3 weeks ago was this Lowepro bag, video bag, $3.50. I think it retails for around over £100. I won it on eBay for £20. I know you think it's quite big, but it's got everything on it. It's got a laptop compartment, loads of compartments for your actual camera equipment, the top part to put loads of bits like your chargers, your batteries, all that kind of stuff. But literally, that looks brand new. When it turned up, I was literally ecstatic. It's probably the best bag I've ever had, and the cheapest bag I've ever had as well. Sigma. This Sigma. 10 to 20. Obviously goes wicked on a crop sensor camera like the 1100D. I actually mainly bought this for my GH5. So obviously when you put it on the GH5, it's super wide with a speed booster. This sells for around £200, I think, second hand. I got this from Facebook off Luke Curtis, who's a really big photographer. Look him up, guys. I know he's got a YouTube channel as well. Actually, I'll put his YouTube channel in the link below. But I got this off him on Facebook. He put it on Facebook Marketplace for 60 quid. And I hit him up, got it the same day, £60. Bargain. This is one of the cheapest lenses I've ever bought in my whole entire life, but absolutely one of my favourite. This is Sigma 70 to 300. I got this in Spain. This was in a shop like Curry's, like Curry's PC World type of shop. There's a camera section there, and it was in the sale for I think €70. So I cropped it. This is like €70. I think that at the time of the euro to the pound, I think it works out like 50 quid, and it was brand new in the box from the shop. I've displayed some images now that you can see I've taken with this lens, and I actually think it is a banging lens. I know everyone will think, oh, it's cheap, blah blah blah, but personally, I think if you've got a Canon and you want a good little like lens to take some really cool Instagram photos with and stuff like that, this is banging. Now, I'm not saying it's a professional lens, but for a budget, which this video is about, this video is all about how to make getting creative cheap. So £50 lens. We're moving on to the big boy. This is literally, I don't even know what to say. Macbook Pro. Macbook Pro, 15-inch. Obviously it's not the latest model, but I'll pick this up for £170 off Facebook group. 2010 is running the High Sierra, the latest OS on for Apple. Everything works on it. everything runs fine. Premiere, Final Cut, Lightroom. It came with a 240GB SSD drive in it as well. It's running on 8GB of RAM, which is in there as well. £170. So I think all in all, if you take one of the lenses off, the whole package that we've got here will cost you under £300. So this video is literally just to show you that you guys don't have to spend so much money just to get creative. You can find a bargain and try it out. Maybe even if you just want to do photos, like this 1100D. This 1100D shoots RAW. Like, you can shoot RAW photos. I've put Magic Lantern on this. You can shoot some RAW video with Magic Lantern, and it's not the greatest. You're not going to get 4K. You're not going to get slow-mo. But if you're just starting out and you want to get everything up and going, the price of a new Canon nowadays will cost you, the budget range will cost you £300. 350, and that's it. You've just got the camera. Here, like 300 quid, you can easily have, yeah, so you got a lens, you got a camera, you got your MacBook Pro, you got a bag, you're good to go. You got everything there. So I'm not saying you can just go on Facebook now and find MacBook Pro £170, and you can find this for £45. If you search, you will find it. So just take your time, guys. And I always get hit up about, where can I get a camera from? Do I need a new one? Do I need a second-hand one? It's up to you. Like, I'll buy second-hand cameras. I've used this for around a week or so now, and I'll show you an image now that I've got from my best friend's sister's wedding. Unbelievable. Like, the photo looks as good as if you took it on a 5D Mark III, to be honest. It was shot in RAW, just a little colour touch up on Lightroom. If you want anything, if you want to hit me up with anything, my email's in the description below. Comment and I'll just tell you where I got everything from exactly, and if you need any help with trying to find something, just hit me up. Have a look on eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, Depop. But anyway, guys, give me a thumbs up and comment below and a like.